Asha Tafmani must be reminded that the Zimbabwe National Army will not be abused, privatized, or mistaken as a personal force for any businessman or political sponsor. The ZNA belongs to the people of Zimbabwe, not to FAS, not to Kudakwashi Tagure, and not to any economic cartel. Tafmani belongs to Kudakwashi Tagure's faction. Sadabina mashoko budachi uya tiona karna mjati anachichika magaga mambishi achivava pamsoro pa Tafmani. Turbo subscribe or like or on the bell icon. TP na mnamubengi kwa mchinzi. I state clearly and without apology that Tafmani is acting in the interests of Kudakwashi Tagure against the sudden promotion and the return to the barracks. Zimbabweans are not blind to the patterns of capture, influence, and loyalty that have looted this nation before. Our country will not be handed over to those we regard as economic predators. Zimbabwe is not a commodity to be transferred through money, uniforms, or staged succession plans. Nyeperanai ikoko NACHAMISA wenu. There is no 2028 coronation for Tagure. Zimbabweans reject fake prophecies, religious manipulation, and political theater dressed up as divine instruction. Attempts to sanctify power through figures like Hubert Angel are deliberate deceptions meant to specify a suffering people. There is no God in looting, intimidation, or electoral fraud. There will be no participation in another sham election where outcomes are predetermined and opposing leaders are expected to walk away quietly. Let it be known, these delusions will be resisted, exposed, and rejected. Zimbabwe belongs to its citizens, not to financiers, prophets, or captured institutions. Zimbabweans will fight to keep their freedom. The government is there to save the liberties of the people, not to restrict them. The people are the sovereign authority, not a government or Asha Atafmane. Be warned. Doma shukano budanyo gwapangwa inoi na kirna mjati. Pina comment section meduza fungro aim what we dip on subject kwa issue. So subscribe or like up on channel, turn on the bell icon.